Hello, Paul here from EMD. I've got this VW Amarok. I had this car finished last week on Friday, and on Saturday or Friday, I'm not sure. I just forgot the time. Time's gone so quick. And actually started up and went for road test. Everything was good. There's no engine light. So I had it running for about 3 hours outside as well, just on idle, about 2 hours, 3 hours. And what I found is I start hearing a noise from like a exhaust noise, like it sounds like just like that non-stop. And there's no engine light, no leak, coolant leak, no oil leak, or no oil leak. And I had to strip down the bank, left hand side bank, which is bank 2, this one here. Take the cover off again to inspect it to make sure. So what I found is the actual injector. If you come here, injector was this one here was leaking. So I'm just looking to make sure the seals, usually they leak from the seal, because this one here is not sealing properly. Copper seal, they call it. And especially this one here, it should be tighter than that. But look, see how loose it is? Sorry. It's loose. See how loose that? See, I can move it around. That's already loose. So it's already worn. It should be like this one here. It's hard to take these ones out, so they've been squashed in there. So what I'll do is, it's just leaking because you gotta. So I got new ones coming. That's why I had to actually delay the work, but got a new one coming. So I've got the new ones already here. I've got there. And 3 new bolts, because these bolts here you can only use it once. You can't. You got to replace them all the time. So of course you got to stretch them. They're stretch bolts. So every time you stretch them, you got to reuse it. Otherwise, it will just become loose again. It's 6 Newton meters plus 96. This one's here 6 Newton meters plus 90 degrees. So you got 6 and then 90 degrees. Anyway, all right. And then make sure you put the injectors back in the right order, because they've been programmed from factory. So this is 4, 5, 6. All right, so that's what I'm going to do, so I can get this done. I don't want the customer to pick it up, and then that's why every time I finish a big job, I don't just give the car straight away back to the customer, even though they want their car. Need to be checked, need to be run it idle for at least an hour, go for a drive, come back, run it idle for another hour, double check it. Let it sit over for the next morning, start up cold, double check everything, check the values on the actual scan tool, and then go from there. Just don't want to finish the job and give it to the customer, because things can go wrong. It's just a big job. It's hard to tell. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.